good place to stop. Just dead in the middle of the intersection.
From what I have.
I'm sure the camera's better.
Well, yeah, that is. Yeah, that's
it.
true.
It's probably about it.
The camera's a lot better. What
Fucking
is
idiot.
with these people?
They don't have to stop. The guy in front of them went. It's clearly clear to go.
Monique and Steve Harvey is the hot conversation.
What are you doing?
The internet was bored yesterday. Let's go. You have the two trending topics yesterday. I knew it was a bad.
But they went nearly instantly. Wow. Or
wow, that motorcycle cut that car off.
and flipped them off. The motorcycle flipped the car off.
I'm pretty sure the motorcycle was in the wrong.
Pretty sure. Unless the motorcycle had his blinker on and was trying to get over like I was, and this person wouldn't let them. Very possible.
Yeah, maybe they couldn't see them. Car seems awfully close to that ambulance.
It is.
Like, it should not be driving that close.
Joy's tailgating this guy. Big fan of it. Oh, that was a good stop.
Get respect, not surprises. Santander Bank. Respect heads up. Learn more at santanderbank.com. Qualifying transactions do not include fees, rebates, and adjustments billed by Santander Bank. Santander Bank and
Oh my God, you have a lane. You need to merge. You need to get up to speed and merge. Jesus Christ. Now she's going to move out of the right lane? Are you kidding me?
Find all your Prime member deals on the Whole Foods Market app.
Loud Records presents Loud 25.
Now she's in the left lane. Now she's in the left lane. Driving like a snail like that. Right to the left lane. That's where she needs to be.
Exactly. No idea who Lenny Dykstra was, man. That's the '86 Mets, bro.
Okay, yeah, but can I finish my story?
I can't wait. I know I shouldn't support this fight.
Okay?
But I want to see Lenny Dykstra beat up the Bagel Boss guy.
It's going down.
The Bagel bitch.
It's like, I don't want to support